everyone, this is Wendy from eTech. Today, we want to show you one of our new products in 2024, the EGM-80 CNC. EGM-80 is originated from EGM-350, who is the champion of winning the best-selling model for 5 years in a row. So, what's special about the EGM-80 CNC? Basically, everything is with the same perfection like EGM-350, but smaller and space-savvy. You probably don't know that the land value in Taiwan can be up to 10 times higher than 30 years ago. In order to help our customer to make each and every lamp profitable, we squeezed the machine and try to fit them into any corner you've got. In this case, if you've got something smaller to grind, EGM-80 will be the best choice for you. But with a better price and lesser space. EGM-80 has a swing-over table of diameter 240 mm. Both max ID and OD grinding is 80. The max grinding depth is also 80. As for the max workpiece length, we will also call it an 80. If the workpiece length has to be slightly longer, then it is recommended to send us the drawing, so we can make a simulation for you. We continue to use the servo motors as the standard on the workhead. With a stable speed and torque, the wheel wear can be average, so the operator can manage through the cycle and parameters easily to come up with the most suitable programs in the shortest time. What's changed is that the workhead spindle on this machine is an 824, and the standard chalk is a 5-inch hydraulic 3-gel chalk. As for the workhead swivel angle, it has a wider range than EGM-350, from positive 45 degrees to negative 10 degrees. If your production will require more workhead swivel application, then we can install an optional linear scale with ERO for the angle display. It will make your operation easier during the process. As for the lens adjustment, it also can be done on this machine. Both the angle swivel and lens adjustment are manual. We continue to use the resolution 0.05 micron linear scales as the standard on the x-axis to maintain the machine accuracy in a long-term service. With 2 grinding axes and 2 belt-driven spindles, the application can be really flexible. We continuously choose to use the diameter 90 mm spindle to maintain the best rigidity and accuracy during the operation, plus the 3 HP motors on each axis. The grinding efficiency is maximized. We have provided current indicator as the standard too. With such simple and considerate attachment, the operators can easily identify whether the wheel is touching the part or not. At this moment, we usually will talk about our software, iGrind. But this time, we want to do something different. In this episode, you are lucky with me. We will reveal some of our advantage and advanced function about our amazing software, iGrind. First, complete and various grinding cycle. We have helped you complete the 80% of the program. We have various grinding cycles that can fulfill 90% of the customer's need. Second, straightness offset. With this function, we can easily and quickly adjust the straightness. Please be noted that after we use this function, the movement will become 2 axes simultaneously, which is not going straight, very convenient. Third, MPG simulation. We can conveniently check whether the path we set for the grinding cycle is safe or not, and if there is a risk of friction before we pressing the cycle start. Increase safety for the operation. Fourth, touch probe. To integrate between the grinding application and measurement. With basic touch probe application, we can make the starting precision more accurate. In this way, not only we can avoid too much increment in the first approach or even crashing to increase operational safety, but also the chance of not giving it enough removal. Very useful. Fifth, form grinding. This software has form grinding function. With it, we can edit the dressing path freely, which means we can form the wheel into any kind of shape according to the workpiece to run a foreign grinding application. 6. Profile grinding. This software has profile grinding function. With it, we can edit the grinding path freely, according to the workpiece shape. 7th. Thread grinding. With it, we can perform thread grinding in between 0.75 to 3 mm pitch, achieving multi-function in one machine. Now, you all know how amazing our iGrind is, right? Aww. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our channel, please press the like button, turn on the bell, subscribe us. See you next time. Bye!